Alexa, stop. Great to see you guys. Tonight we're going to draw Magma Wilda. Oh, shoot. Wrong transformation. Cut! Take 2. Welcome, fans. Tonight we're going to draw Thunder Wilda from Bakugan New Vestroya. Now that's what I'm talking about, yeah! And for that, you get some spin drift. Oh yeah. Getting started. Thunder Wilda is one of the main protagonists for Bakugan New Vestroya. And have you saw my previous episode? Thunder Wilda evolves into Magma Wilda. At first, when I first saw the character, I thought his name was Wilda. Really wild, right? Alright.
Chuggington! We're trainees, we're making trucks. Wheels to the rail! Clackety-clack! Running on time, passengers to take. Hauling loads, pickups to make. Riding the wheels, a fantastic crew! Honk your horse, choo-choo!
There we are.
Choo-choo! Chuggington!
Well, that's a song I'll never forget. Literally. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Honk your horns.
Chuggington! We're trainees, we're making trucks. Wheels to the rail! Clackety-clack! Running on time, passengers to take. Hauling loads, pickups to make. Riding the wheels, a fantastic crew! Honk your horse, choo-choo! Choo-choo! Chuggington! Chugga-chugga-chugga-chugga-chuggington! Chuggington! Chugga-chugga-chugga-chugga-chugga-chugga-chugga-chuggington! Chuggington! Clackety-clack!
Let's get started. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Chuggington! We're trains, we're making tracks. Wheels to the rails. Clackety-clack. Running on time, passengers to take. Hauling loads, pickups to make. Riding the rails. A fantastic crew! On your horse, choo-choo! Choo-choo! Chuggington. Chugga, 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 chuggington. Chuggington. Chugga, 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 chuggington. Chuggington. Clackety-clack.
Don't you guys wish for this show to never end? I appreciated it when I was a kid, and I still do. I mean, they had this series called Tales of the Rails. It shows after the events of, well, after that winter show, what Wilson, Brewster, and Coco did after they completed their training. They learned from the best and ended up becoming, well, becoming the best of the best, training hard to follow in their master's footsteps. Amazing, right? Right. One day we'll get the chance to meet them in person. And by meet, I mean draw them. Now, what song was I supposed to put on after this one? I'm sure I'll figure it out. Alexa, what is Chuggington Live?
From FrumblesKitchen.com. This is a live-action musical show for children.
I don't know when or why, but I feel like Chuggington had 3 live shows. One debuting in the United Kingdom. Another debuted in, well, America. And one involves Chug Patrol. And another was involving, I have no idea what I'm talking about. Alexa, play Chug Patrol.
Chug Jug with You, #1 Victory Royale by Leviathan JPTV on Amazon Music.
Sorry for that. Alexa, stop. I don't know about that song. Alexa, play Chug Patrol by Chuggington.
I couldn't find that on Amazon Music.
What? You don't have any music by Chuggington? What is wrong with you? I mean, I've seen all the I've seen everything you had to offer, but this is where you cross the line. All the songs that I see on other areas, this is where you cross the line. Alexa, what is Thunder?
Thunder is a song by American pop rock band Imagine Dragons. It was released by Interscope Records and Kid in a Corner on April 27, 2017, as the second single from their third studio album, Evolve. Written by band members Dan Reynolds, Wayne Sermon, Ben McKee, Daniel Platzman, and its producers Alex DeKid and Jason DeZuzio, Thunder peaked at number 4 on the U.S. Billboard Hot 100.
Right. Alexa, what is the definition for thunder?
As a noun, thunder is usually defined as a loud, explosive, resounding noise produced by the explosive expansion of air heated by a lightning discharge. As a verb, thunder is usually defined as to to give forth thunder, often used impersonally with it as the subject. For more, ask me to give you more definitions for thunder.
Alexa, what is magma?
Magma is the molten or semi-molten natural material from which all igneous rocks are formed. Magma is found beneath the surface of the Earth, and evidence of magmatism has also been discovered on other terrestrial planets and some natural satellites. Besides molten rock, magma may also contain suspended crystals and gas bubbles.
Great. Alexa, play Warriors for Hire.
I couldn't find that on Amazon Music.
Alexa, play Warriors for Hire, Mighty Magisword's parody. Alexa, play Warriors for Hire.
I couldn't find that on Amazon Music.
Great. Alexa, play Warriors for Hire, Mighty Magisword's parody. There's his foot. Alexa, play Live Like a Warrior.
Live Like a Warrior by Matisyahu on Amazon Music.
Feel like the world don't love you, they only wanna push you away. Some days people don't see you, you feel like you're in the way. Today you feel as everyone hates, pointing their finger, looking at your mistakes. You do good, they want great. No matter what you give, they still wanna take.
You think they'll add Wilda to the reboot?
You give your heart, they go on attack. When there's nothing left,
Despite the fact that it ended so early? Thanks a lot, creators of Bakugan! And no buts either. We all heard that story before. Doctor.
Some things you should let go, they're only gonna pull you down. Just like weight on your shoulder, they're only gonna make you drown. We all swing high, we all swing low. We all got secrets people don't know. We all got dreams we can't let go. We wanna be brave, don't be afraid, no. Today, live like you wanna. Let yesterday burn and do it in a fire. In a fire, in a fire.
Now we'll be using it.
Fight like a warrior. Today, live like you wanna. Let yesterday burn and do it in a fire. In a fire, in a fire. Live like a warrior. Your heart is too heavy from things you carry a long time. Been up, you've been down. Tired and you don't know why. But you're never gonna go back. You only live one life. Let go, let go, let go.
I wish I can let go. But why should I let go?
Today, live like you wanna. Let yesterday burn and go it in a fire. In a fire, in a fire. Fight like a warrior. Today, live like you wanna. Let yesterday burn and go it in a fire. In a fire, in a fire. Live like a warrior. Today, live like you wanna.
You wanna cry?
Yesterday burn and
Involved in the fire. Alexa, name the top 10 episodes from Chuggington.
From findddd.co.uk, the episodes are Stunt Brewster, Light, Camera, Action Chugger, Hodge and the Chugnov, Brewster Meets the Mayor, Toots Talks Hale, Undercover Action Chugger, and Movie Maker Brewster.
Really? Those are the top 10? Okay, not what I had in mind. Yapper. And done. That is how you draw Thunder Wilda from Bakugan Nubastroya. Sorry this took me 14 minutes. At least I got it finished. Anyway. I better lay easy for tonight.